Hi there, it's Cynthia Campbell with UnEvolved Living. Thought I'd give you a little tour of our property before things start blooming so we can see a before and after. So right now I'm starting on the south side of our house. This is our Three Sisters Guild. So it's going to have corn and beans and squash. It is surrounded by about 33 sunflowers. Over here we have a blackberry bush, and it's called a prime arc blackberry, and it's in a guild with some strawberries and white clover and onions and garlic, all sorts of things working together. Over here we have the start of a teepee. We're going to plant some climbers around it and put a dog bed in the middle for Mickey. Here we have another planting area, mostly shade. Not sure what we're going to do there yet. We have some daylilies. Our sitting area under a beautiful, beautiful red bud tree, Oklahoma's state tree. Our cooking area and deck, firewood. Here is our apple tree guild. We have 4 different varieties of apple trees. And these just went in this year. Planted with them as strawberries, onions, garlic, mazuma, white clover. All these things work together to protect the tree guild and works together to keep pests out and attract the pollinators. Nature's just wonderful that way. Over here we have more sunflowers being planted along the fence because the squirrels just love running on the fences, and I thought sunflowers would be a good snack. Over here, Jerusalem artichokes are planted. Here we have our planting beds, square foot gardening over here. Nothing's planted yet. We have some accidental kale and carrots from the fall garden. We have mulched all of our area here to keep the weeds and grass down, keep moisture in. Blueberry hill, 3 kinds of blueberries there, another varietal here. Raspberries in the back, a couple water barrels. Here we have a cherry tree planted with onions, garlic, white clover. Over here we have an onion, leek, and garlic planting area. Here is a plum tree, again with a guild, having onions, garlic, white clover, things working together. More square foot gardening over here. We've planted onions and they're coming up already. Nothing's planted here yet, except for potatoes here on the end. We have Yukon Gold, red, sweet, and a blend of mini potatoes. And then our work area. And that's all there is. Thank you for joining me at UnEvolved Living.